All right, let's get right into it. If you're sitting in the C-suite or leading operations, you already know your organization has cameras literally everywhere. You've invested a ton of capital into CCTV infrastructure to keep things secure. But here's the bottom line right up front. Right now, those cameras are entirely reactive. They only tell you what went wrong after the fact. Today, we're looking at Lumicam. It's a platform that turns your existing passive cameras into an automated, proactive efficiency engine. And the best part? It does this without requiring you to buy a single piece of expensive new hardware. Okay, let's dive into this. We're going to briefly walk through a structured roadmap today. We'll start with the hidden cost of unseen data, then look at how you get AI vision without new hardware, how that drives operational efficiency, some proven real-world impact, and we'll wrap up with your rapid path to ROI. Section 1. The cost of unseen data. Maximizing your current assets. So we have to start by addressing the elephant in the room, and that is massive operational waste. You are capturing millions of moments every single day across your video feeds, and the vast majority of it goes completely unnoticed. Seriously, ask yourself, who's actually watching every screen every second? The reality is, human security personnel simply can't monitor everything. So when critical events happen, say an unauthorized entry, a major safety violation, or a traffic incident, they're almost always missed in real time. And those delayed responses, they lead directly to safety risks, massive compliance challenges, and ultimately severe operational losses. And this brilliantly illustrates the core shift we're talking about. The old way means expensive manual monitoring, inevitably delayed responses, and honestly, money just walking out the door. But the new way? Lumicam's AI steps in with instant alerts and proactive safety. It literally transforms a massive cost center into a driver of rapid ROI. It's all about moving from that forensic, let's check the tapes video review to real-time, actionable intelligence. Section 2. AI vision without new hardware, a lightweight software layer. Now, as an executive, whenever someone mentions AI or major tech upgrades, you probably immediately think of huge capital expenditure, right? But the absolute key here is that Lumicam does this without replacing your existing infrastructure. It's simply a lightweight, incredibly powerful software layer that sits right on top of your current setup. This is definitely not a costly rip and replace operation. It analyzes your live streams in real time to deliver actionable alerts. And because it's a software layer, it's highly scalable, offering both edge and cloud deployments, and it is fully protected by enterprise-grade AES 256 encryption. So yes, it is absolutely built for strict corporate governance. And what exactly is that software doing behind the scenes? Well, right out of the box, Lumicam comes equipped with over 60 ready-to-use AI applications. We're talking about highly specific operational tools here. Checking for PPE compliance on a busy factory floor, monitoring crowd behavior at a massive stadium, spotting potholes for municipal road maintenance, or even running real-time theft detection in retail operations. It's a real game changer. These core capabilities are exactly what turn raw, messy video into instant situational awareness. When an event happens, boom, you get real-time alerts. Your security teams get a live wall and these super helpful instant GIF logs of incidents right on their mobile devices. But more importantly for management, all of this integrates directly into Power BI dashboards. Whether you're using IP cameras, your standard video management systems, or even dash cams, this funnels actionable macro-level analytics straight to the C-suite so you can make much better decisions. Section 3. Driving operational efficiency from reactive to proactive. Let's transition into the tangible cross-departmental efficiency gains. Because while security is obviously important, the true value of video intelligence at the executive level is how it optimizes your core business operations. Consider this crazy stat, 30%. A city transport department used real-time traffic analytics from Lumicam to optimize their traffic signal timings. By simply understanding the flow of vehicles better through automated video analysis, they actually reduced peak hour congestion by over 30%. That is a massive operational win, achieved simply by giving their existing street cameras a brain. And you know, the efficiency doesn't just stop at the camera feed. Lumicam is actually part of a wider product ecosystem called Lumiverse. This means you can seamlessly extend this intelligence across your entire enterprise. You can digitize your field inspections with their Smart Inspection app, assess vehicle damage completely contact-free using their Car Assessor AI, or even automate complex legal workflows using AI for digital justice. It's this incredibly interconnected ecosystem designed to multiply efficiency across every single department. Section 4. Proven real-world impact. Scaling operational wins. A business pitch is nothing without proof, right? Now, what's really interesting about this slide is who is actually validating this tech at scale: traffic operations at the Dubai police. They stated that accident and incident detections significantly accelerated their claims and reporting pipeline. This is a massive endorsement from a major, exceptionally high standards government entity, proving the operational acceleration that AI video intelligence provides. Let's break down those specific operational wins for the Dubai police because they are staggering. By using this AI, they auto-generate police reports directly from images. The system masks license plates for privacy and automatically plots the damage on a map. They actually reduce their entire contactless claims process down to just 4 steps. And that is heavily supported by over 20 API integrations with various insurers. It drastically reduces manual data entry and builds incredible transparency across the board. Let's move to and see how this builds in totally different environments too. A Saudi municipality's roads department used dashcam and CCTV processing to detect road defects in map assets across their really long municipal highways. The result? They dropped their manual inspection costs significantly and achieved a dramatically faster turnaround time for prioritizing and executing repairs. The immense adaptability of this AI is literally staggering. In Oman, the Highway Authority used car-mounted dash cams processing hundreds of gigabytes of footage, 250 gigabytes to be exact, at speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour to map road assets. Meanwhile, over at the King Salman Royal Natural Reserve, they deployed it on long-range thermal drones for animal counts and anti-poaching surveillance across the world's largest natural reserve. It essentially processes whatever video data you throw at it, instantly turning it into structured, usable data. Section 5. Rapid Path to ROI, the business case and deployment. We've seen the efficiency and we've seen the proof. Now let's bring it home and look at the highly scalable pricing tiers, currently reflecting a 50% off applied rate. Because there's no new hardware required, the financial barrier to entry is practically non-existent. Management can immediately visualize this. Testing a single camera at one location is just 2,500 Indian rupees a month. Scaling up to a medium site of 8 cameras is 11,200 rupees, which unlocks advanced analytics. And even at a city scale, 128 camera custom hybrid deployment, you're looking at just 160,000 rupees, and the deployment speed totally matches the pricing. A typical proof of concept goes exactly like this. You share a sample of your footage. Then there's a mere 2 to 5 days setup time to configure the ingestion and tune the model. Within 2 to 6 weeks, you're running a live POC. So validating your return on investment through this short iterative process is practically immediate. You get your exportable KPI reports and Power BI datasets within weeks, not months or years. So the crucial point is this: your organization is already paying to capture millions of moments of video data every single day. But right now, that data is just sitting idle. Are you ready to stop wasting it? If you could give your existing camera network a brain in just 5 days and turn it into an automated system that detects faster, responds smarter, and operates safer, what could your current infrastructure achieve for your bottom line tomorrow? It's time to find out.